If you've noticed your legs getting weaker lately, or climbing stairs takes more effort, or you recover more slowly after walking, you're definitely not alone. Millions of older adults experience exactly the same thing, and most believe it's just an unavoidable part of getting older. But here's the truth. It absolutely doesn't have to be that way. Your body still possesses the remarkable ability to rebuild strength, muscle, and energy if you provide it with the right nutrients. We're not talking about expensive supplements or complicated meal plans, but simple everyday foods that can make a genuine difference in your life. In fact, a groundbreaking study analyzed over 3,000 foods for their ability to build and preserve muscle tissue, and only 10 truly stood out. Here's the part that shocked researchers. EGGS didn't even make the list. For decades, we were told that eggs were absolutely essential for maintaining strength in older adults. But modern science now reveals that in seniors, EGG protein is absorbed far less efficiently, leaving muscles undernourished and completely unable to rebuild properly. Meanwhile, simple, affordable everyday foods, the kind most people overlook at the grocery store, are proving to rebuild muscle faster, improve balance dramatically, and speed up recovery, even in people in their 70s and 80s. What you're about to discover might completely change how you think about nutrition and aging, especially when you hear about number 4, because it triggered something researchers thought was absolutely impossible. Before we dive deeper, take just 2 seconds to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because this channel delivers science-backed health strategies that can genuinely transform your golden years. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming in our next videos about longevity and vitality. Your future self will thank you for staying connected with our growing community of health-conscious viewers. Now let's begin with number 10. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese might look incredibly basic, but it's actually one of the most powerful muscle-repairing foods you can possibly add to your daily diet. Its secret weapon lies in its exceptionally rich content of casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually over several hours. For seniors, this sustained release is absolutely essential because muscle repair doesn't just happen during the day, it continues working overnight while you sleep. While eggs offer merely a short burst of protein, cottage cheese feeds your muscles steadily and consistently, keeping them nourished as you rest. A single cup provides roughly 25 grams of protein along with calcium and phosphorus to strengthen bones and dramatically reduce fracture risk. According to research published in the British Journal of Nutrition, older adults who consumed casein before sleeping had significantly higher overnight muscle synthesis compared to those who didn't. Cottage cheese also supplies beneficial probiotics that improve gut function and boost nutrient absorption throughout your digestive system. Its remarkable affordability makes it even more attractive, cheaper than most meats, and requiring absolutely no cooking whatsoever. Number 9 is tofu, and please don't underestimate this plant-based powerhouse. For people over 60, this soy-based protein is a true muscle-building champion that deserves serious attention. A half-cup serving contains approximately 10 grams of quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. What makes tofu particularly beneficial for seniors is its high isoflavone content, natural compounds that mildly mimic estrogen in the body. This matters tremendously because lower hormone levels naturally accelerate muscle and bone loss with age. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed soy protein regularly maintained significantly more lean muscle mass than those relying solely on animal protein. Tofu is also remarkably rich in calcium and magnesium, key nutrients for preventing painful cramps and maintaining bone density. Number 8 brings us to chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. These legumes are one of the most affordable and criminally underrated muscle-supporting foods available at any grocery store. A single cup provides around 15 grams of plant-based protein, along with complex carbohydrates that deliver lasting energy instead of sugar crashes. For seniors, that's the absolutely perfect balance you need for rebuilding muscle while fueling your heart, brain, and legs with steady, sustainable power. Science strongly supports this approach. A study in the journal Nutrients found that diets rich in legumes like chickpeas greatly improved muscle endurance and physical capacity in older adults. The reason is simple. Chickpeas provide protein along with magnesium, zinc, and folate, nutrients essential for muscle contraction and tissue repair. Number 7 is canned sardines, and they may come in a small tin, but don't let their size fool you. One simple serving provides over 20 grams of premium quality protein, plus omega-3 fats that calm inflammation and accelerate recovery dramatically. For adults over 60, this is absolutely crucial because chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons muscles take longer to heal properly. Sardines are also exceptionally rich in vitamin D and calcium, two nutrients that keep bones sturdy so your muscles have a solid foundation. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who ate omega-3 rich fish like sardines maintained significantly more muscle and strength. Number 6 is millet, and it might look like birdseed, but for older adults, it's a hidden gem. This ancient grain is packed with plant protein, magnesium, and iron, all absolutely vital for muscle repair and healthy circulation throughout your body. A single cooked cup provides roughly 6 grams of protein and a steady source of slow-burning carbohydrates that fuel muscles without sugar spikes. A study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology revealed that diets based on millet improved recovery and reduced tiredness significantly. Number 5 brings us to mussels, the shellfish that most people only eat at restaurants. Each serving delivers more than 18 grams of high-quality protein, along with omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and vitamin B12. What really makes mussels stand out is their taurine content, an amino acid proven to help preserve lean tissue and muscle mass as we age naturally. A landmark study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that shellfish-like mussels not only increased lean body mass, but also improved grip strength significantly. Number 4 is nori seaweed, those thin green sheets used to wrap sushi rolls. It's surprisingly rich in plant-based protein, iodine, magnesium, and vitamin C, all essential for energy metabolism and muscle recovery. Research published in Marine Drugs discovered that bioactive peptides found in seaweed like nori can enhance muscle function and improve circulation in older adults. These peptides act almost like natural repair agents, helping your muscles recover faster after any physical activity. Number 3 is spirulina, a type of blue-green algae that thrives in mineral-rich waters around the world. Just 2 tablespoons contain around 8 grams of complete protein, as well as iron, B vitamins, and powerful antioxidants. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that older adults supplementing with spirulina experienced increased muscle endurance, reduced fatigue, and better recovery times. Number 2 is tiger nuts. Despite their name, they're actually small, chewy tubers that have been eaten since ancient Egypt. These little roots are packed with resistant starch, magnesium, potassium, and arginine, a powerful amino acid that increases nitric oxide production. That means dramatically better blood flow and more oxygen delivery to your muscles throughout the day. Number 1 is teff grain, and it may be one of the world's smallest grains, but it's also one of the most nutrient-dense options available. 1 cup of cooked teff offers about 10 grams of protein, plus calcium, iron, and lysine, an amino acid that plays a key role in collagen formation. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition revealed that teff provides complete protein while boosting hemoglobin levels. And there you have it, 10 affordable, underrated foods that can rebuild and protect your muscles more effectively than eggs ever could. The latest research is absolutely clear. Muscle decline isn't inevitable at all. Even in your 70s or 80s, your body still has the incredible power to grow, repair, and stay strong as long as you give it the right fuel. Tell us in the comments, how old are you, and which of these foods will you try first to transform your muscle health? Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs stronger legs and more energy in their daily life.